If you or your loved one is struggling with bleeding or receding gums, gingivitis, gum infection, toothaches or decay, bad breath, or any type of periodontal issues, then this discovery could save your life. A recent discovery has been leaked about the real root cause of gum diseases and tooth decay, and it has nothing to do with daily oral hygiene. So, before you resign yourself to being hooked on medication for life, or spending amount of money to the dentist, you've got to see this right now. A clinical proven, powerful liquid you can use starting today to restore teeth and gums almost overnight, regardless of age or medical condition. It works so well the dental industry are in absolute shock. More than 140,300 people are already using it, and they have been able to regrow their teeth and gums successfully, while also restoring the whiteness in their teeth and eliminating bad breath. Remember, this has nothing to do with medication, oral hygiene, or expensive procedures or implants. I urge you, stop everything you are doing and click the link below to watch a short free special video that shows exactly how thousands of people are taking advantage of this odd liquid to talk, smile and eat with confidence once again. Imagine, no more awful Metallica blood taste in our mouth, throbbing tooth pain, and a dental office again. The billion-dollar dental industry does not want you to see this video and discover this extraordinary secret. Watch it now before it's too late. Click the link in the bottom to watch it now.